So wave, Tiger, wave. Yeah. Hey, see, wave, man. See, waving back at you. See.
Hi YouTube guys, my name is Tiger. Today I'm at the air show. So Tommy, you stand right here.
Cool, Tiger. You like airplane, Tiger?
Yeah, and a jet.
Oh, that's a B-2 bomber, Tiger. Look at that. Right there. Oh wow, that's cool, Tiger. That's awesome. That's a cool jet. Look at that.
Tyler, do you like the air show?
Yes, Tiger. Air show are fun.
Tyler, do you like the cargo plane?
Yeah, Tiger. Cargo plane are cool.
Yeah. Don't let it get too hot.
Have you been to Iraq?
Oh, yeah.
They have? Wow.
Iraq and Afghanistan.
Yeah.
All throughout Southeast Asia.
That's cool. That's cool, Tiger. Sit down, Tiger. Sit down.
Fly a plane?
Oh, wow.
You a pilot?
That's cool, Tiger.
You want us?
I got it. Oh, let's. Yeah. Wow, that's a stair. See the stair? Oh, with the pilot. Thank you. Cool. Okay, hang on. So wave, Tiger, wave. Yeah. Hey, see, wave, man. See, waving back at you. See. Okay, here you go. That's a cool jet.
Yeah, Thomas.
Tiger, did you have fun at the air show?
Yeah. Thomas, you come here.
What's up, guys? If you like this video and like to see more video, please subscribe and like, please. Thank you.